Hello everyone. So this is Kiara right there. She's just big, and that's macaroni in the background. And this is a tunnel. It's I guess folded or something. I'm just scared of a tunnel. It's fine. Well, I don't know why I'm scared of a tunnel. Oh no! Are you okay? Oh, she's scared of the tunnel. She got scared of it. Woman, it's either in or out. Why does she run like that? Okay, for reals, let's go unfold this now to see if they got through it. Okay, just gonna put my foot there. Remember, guys, this is a family-friendly channel. I don't say bad words or anything. Okay, the tunnel is unfolded. It's a pretty small tunnel. I came with the tent, but like it wasn't originally made for cats. It was for me. Okay, there's no need to be scared of a tunnel. Okay, you just have to go through it. You're not gonna die. I think she's scared of the tunnel. It's safe to walk through. And adoption videos are gonna come out soon too. So yeah. Would you like to go through it? Meow yes for meow once for yes, meow twice for no. I didn't hear anything, so that was yes. I do not hurt animals. I love animals. This is my sister's cat. She's still in school. And that's my cat. Right there. They seem to like it now. I put macaroni in there, but she walked all the way over there herself. Right. Sorry if the camera quality is bad. And that's it for today. Bye, guys.